You created the initial text for the advertisement. Now you need to perform the same tasks to create the rest of the ad. Go to 203. In the timeline panel, select the shoreline.mov layer and press E to reveal its effects. Then select the 3D camera tracker to make it active. In the Effect Controls panel, change the TrackPoint Size value to 50% so you can see the track points more clearly. Make sure the selection tool is selected. And then in the Composition panel, hover over an area so that the red target lies flat across the rocks. Then right-click or control-click on the target and choose Create Text. Select the text layer in the Timeline panel. Then press the R key to reveal the rotation values and change the orientation to 0, 45, and 0. Double-click the text layer to make it editable. Then type R in the Composition panel. Click the R layer to exit text editing mode. Press Shift-P to display the position property. Then click the stopwatch icon to create an initial keyframe. Go to 229. Use the selection tool to move the text so that its position is similar to the text in the image in the book. Go to 414. Use the hand tool to move the composition so that you can see the text box outside the frame. Then select the selection tool and drag it so that the bottom of the text is visible, as shown in the image in the book. Or you can adjust the position values, such as minus 2400, 990, and minus 9800. Or simply move it into position. Hide the properties for the layer. And if you use the hand tool to reposition the image, move it back now, and then select the selection tool and manually preview the text animation. Go to 414 and activate the 3D camera tracker track points again by selecting the shoreline.mov layer in the timeline panel. Then either select the 3D camera tracker under the shoreline.mov layer or selecting 3D camera tracker in the Effect Controls panel. With the selection tool, select a target for a flat plane against the large rock on the right. Then right-click the target and choose Create Text. Select the text layer in the timeline panel. Press R and Shift-P and Shift-S to see the rotation, position, and scale properties. Then change the orientation values to 0, 45, 10, and set the scale to 2000%. Double-click the text layer and type scrambling in the composition panel. Go to 310, where this text should first be visible. Use the selection tool to drag the text so that it starts below R and continues off-screen. If the text appears too large, feel free to change the scale property. Continue adjusting the position and rotation until you're satisfied. When you're ready, click the stopwatch icon to create an initial keyframe for the position property. Go to 421. Use the selection tool to move the text as it appears in the image on page 331 in the book. Then do the same at 605 and at 704. As you can see, the text will continue to move down and toward the left. The text is in position, but you want it to appear suddenly on the screen. You'll trim the layers to stagger their appearance. Go to 203. Select the R layer, and then press Alt or Option in the left bracket key. Go to 310. Select the scrambling layer, and press Alt or Option and the left bracket key again. Hide the properties for all layers, and then choose File and Save to save your work. Press the spacebar to preview the text animation, and then press the spacebar again to stop playback.